Welcome to the Land to House YouTube channel. I'm Seth. I'm proud to announce a new product line here at Land to House. So for several years, I've been working with the Ram pump, which is an off-grid water pump that needs no fuel or electricity to operate, only flowing, falling water. So I've got one set up right here. Basically, with about 2.5 feet of input head pressure, it's lifting water up here to 15 foot up on this hill. In order to operate the Ram pump, you have to have an air-free water source, and that's where the new product comes in. It's the Land to House Silt Filter Bucket. So this bucket allows you to have the supply line right here come into the top of the bucket, feeds your water down in here, and this overflows and gives your drive pipe an air-free water source. Also has this much space down here in the bottom to capture silt and debris. So basically, you're able to have a source that may or may not have air bubbles coming in. So let me show you my source real quick. We'll step up here and you can see that. So I simply have a piece of pipe with some screen over it in a creek. Now air bubbles could be pulled into that, and that could be sent down to the pump. If air bubbles enter into the Ram pump, it's going to stop the pump. And so now you're able to separate that air from the drive pipe, which is this right here, by this bucket. I have 4 sizes of this silt filter bucket available to match the 4 different sizes of Ram pump that I have for sale: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and 1 1/4 inch. So if you want to check out more information on the silt filter bucket, then I have links in the description down below to the Amazon page, eBay, and landtohouse.com. I'm Seth, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.